So at this point, I'm almost done. I'm getting excited because it's starting to look like a little bit something. To be honest, I was nervous. Shout out to Drea the help. That's what she did. Okay, so I'm continuing the framing. So right now I'm just measuring and just making sure everything is balanced at night because it was about 100 degrees in Texas during this time. I decided to take a break and paint so I can start off fresh tomorrow. Quick trip to Home Depot to pick up more supplies and a door. Installing the door. Same process is on the right hand side, so I am using the string tight system to push the spine inside of the track. Placing the cap on top of the track. Wrapping up the final part with the same steps. I am done. I am excited to use this area of the home outside. I love the outdoors, a little bit heat, and it's perfect for fall.